Hello everyone. Hey Beauty Connoisseurs. Welcome to the channel and welcome back to the channel if you are already a beauty connoisseur. If you are not, go ahead and hit the red subscription button down below. Also click on the notification bell so that you will always know when we upload a new video. If you're interested in this unit that I'm wearing, it is a Bobbi Boss unit. Her name is Avery, and I will leave the information card for her right up here. So today I have a unit by the Janet collection that I'm very excited to try, and her name is Tiana, and I got her in the color DRFF 1B Espresso Blonde. And that's what she looks like on the stock card. She looks like she's a middle part. And she's a natural blowout texture, which I'm very excited to try. And I saw this on Phoebe Rome. She's the reason why I just had to get this unit, because she reviewed it and it just really looked nice on her. So this is how she looks. Oh, and she came with this to kind of keep that curl going back, that little Farrah Fawcett flip thing. But this is what she looks like. She's a natural length, like 14 inches, you know, not very long. And you have your face framing colors in here. Various shades of blonde. There's your parting space, which looks very, very good. And you have your light brown soft lace. The construction, here it is. Two tiny combs at the front and one comb in the back with the breathable cap. So, and bring it in closer so you can see that texture. It's a very soft yaki, but it's a natural texture to mimic African American hair. So I'm gonna cut the lace and cut the tag. And oh, one more thing, I got this from Amazon, because that was the most economical buy. It was $33.95, and I still had to pay $4.95 shipping because it doesn't come with Prime shipping. So anyway, of all the sites that I saw, that has the least expensive shipping, so that's why I got it from Amazon. So I'll be right back. Okay, I really like this right off the bat. I haven't brushed her out or anything. And I want to say she's very large head friendly. I adjusted the straps in the back and it is just still plenty of room. And it comes ear to ear perfectly. I don't see any baby hairs, but I guess if you want to make some of your own, you can, but I don't think it needs any because it lays very flat. There's no line of demarcation. So yeah, this is gonna be really, really simple. And I love the texture and I love the face framing. Blonde. I think I do see one little wispy hair like right here. So, but I don't think I'm gonna utilize it. I got maybe 2 strands of hair, which is surprisingly for, you know, a blonde synthetic. But yeah, this is so pretty. I really like it. Kind of reminds me of Neesha. It puts it in the in that realm, that Neesha realm. But it's not as thick as those Neeshas, I don't think. So I am getting some flyaways, but let's look at it from the side. And the back. And yes, I did change shirts midstream. This one says God is dope. The other one said just God. So I did change shirts midstream for all of you who are very observant. I reviewed several videos at one time, and I just usually wear the same thing, but I decided to just change shirts midstream, so here I am. I'm gonna put some powder in the part, which it doesn't really need, but I'm just gonna do it anyway, because that's just what I do. So yeah, I think she's very, very cute. Very pretty. I got a strand on my lip. And yeah, she don't need any kind of wispy hairs or anything. I think it looks fine just like it is. And it's the perfect length for the summer. And even though it's a thicker texture, yeah, you might get hot. If you sweat in your head, this is gonna be too hot for you. But I'll wear it before August gets here, when it gets 110 here in Texas. So let's find some sunnies. I'm giving the school teacher vibe. So please like, comment, and share. Give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.